Number 7 is very interesting as we are asking to factor, but please notice that these are perfect squares, okay? So we want, for this one, you can just do the dashes like normal, okay? So the first times the last, dash times dash is equal to -9, but notice that that middle number, that b equals to 0. So two numbers that multiply together and adds up to 0. In that case, it would be only 3 and 3, 3 and 3. And I think one of them is negative, right? Yes. Then we divide by that 1x, 1x, 1x. We now here just get x plus 3 and x minus 3. Notice, if we just looked at this term, we can just square root it. If we square root 9, we get 3. Okay, so the answer would have been plus 3 and minus 3. Okay, so we can do that here. We can take the square root of 121, which is, I think square root 121 is 11 squared. Yep, so this is just 11. We can take the square root of 49, which becomes 7. Square root of x squared becomes x. So the answer would be 11x7 and 11x7. Let me show you. The first one just has to have a plus and the other one has a minus. Okay, there you go. That's how you can factor it. Right, same thing here. We can take the square root of 36, that becomes 6. The square root of x squared, that just becomes x. So your first answer or your first factor would be 6 with an x and a 6 with an x. The first one is going to be 6 plus x and the other one is going to be 6 minus x. Okay, so that's a shortcut, but you can still do it the long way and still get the correct answer by factoring it using the dash method. But I wanted to show you because these are called difference of squares. You can just square root it there.